Well, hello loves, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. Today I am so excited because we are kicking off the Christmas holiday mix collab for 2020, and it is being hosted by one of my beautiful YouTube sisters, Bree of Bree's Project Book. And she has asked some of her YouTube sisters to join her: Juani of Juani's House, Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner, and of course myself, Kimberly of Diva Designing on a Dime. This will be a 4-week series, and we will be bringing to you much inspiration, tips on decorating, DIYs, and so much more. So you need to make sure your notification bells are hit and that you are subscribed to the channel. But before we jump into it, if you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope you decide to stay by clicking that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, TikTok, and I have an Amazon store, which is perfect for this time of year and what we are going through right now. You can shop for some beautiful home decor, home essentials, Christmas gifts for yourself, for your friends, for your family. All of those links to my social media sites as well as my Amazon store will be listed in my description box down below. And if you are a faithful and returning Diva family member, you already know how I feel about you. I love you guys so much, and I consider myself blessed that you are a part of the Diva family. Bree asked us to give a topic each week that we wanted to share, and my topic is 3 tips to make your home festive for the holidays. So each one of these beautiful ladies will be sharing their tips with you. Right now, we're just going to jump right in, and I'm going to share with you my tips to make your home festive for the holidays. Now, I'm going to mess with some of the senses that we have. I'm going to deal with smell, I'm going to deal with sight, and I'm going to deal with hearing. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the first tip, we're going to deal with the smell. Having your home smelling like the holidays. And we're going to do a little simmer pot using just a few items: cranberries, and if you can get fresh ones, they will be better, an orange, cinnamon sticks, nutmeg, cloves, and a cup of water. What I'm going to do, I'm going to slice this orange into slices. And then we're going to place all these ingredients into a pot on the stove, and it is going to give your home a holiday smell. And this smell goes through my entire home, even upstairs, guys. It smells so good. I will actually have this recipe in my description box below. So you'll add 1 cup of water, 1 small orange, 4 cinnamon sticks, 1 tablespoon of cloves or allspice, 1/8 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 cup of cranberries. And of course, I'm eyeballing it at this point. And you just let this simmer on your stove. Now, you can let this go. Of course, you'll take it off at night, but this will last for 3 to 4 days, especially if you have a warmer. And also, you can hand this out as gifts as well. Can you imagine receiving a gift like this? People will think the thought of it is just very, very nice and special. So now we're going to talk about a tip with what you are seeing, your site. All right. Beautiful Christmas decor being placed in your home, especially the color red. All right. Any color makes your home festive, but the red, OMG. I know it does it for me. And nothing says the holiday like candles. To see candles lit at night, oh my goodness. It is so cozy and inviting. And the last tip is to have some holiday music playing in your home, whether you are playing it from a music source or have your own pianist playing it in your home. Holiday music, Christmas music definitely puts you in the Christmas spirit. So come back on next Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for some more beautiful holiday inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed and beautiful day. Be safe out there, and I'll talk to you real soon.